Hi everyone, it's Mary Beth from MBGray Designs. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to try to make this box. I say try because I am not the best at doing these puzzle type things. I think it's a domino box is what the label says, so we'll see. But we're just going to do clear with this Night Bloom fine glitter. And it's fine and it's very thin, you know, so I'm not going to use glue. We're going to just pour it, and I guess if it sinks, it sinks. We're going to see. But I just opened it, so I wanted to show you how pretty that glitter is. It's really, really pretty. So I've got my resin mixing up. There's no mica to dissolve or anything today. So I got my resin mixing up, and once it's mixed, I'm just going to put it through my bubble remover, and then we're going to come back and mix some glitter and in the resin and just pour and see what happens. So we'll be back in just a few. Okay, so apparently my mic was not working. So that's kind of a bummer. But basically, you know, I took the resin out of the bubble remover, and I'm going to put it in a smaller cup to just, it'll be easier for me to manage. And I'll put the glitter in, stir it up, and then I'm just going to pour. So I think probably the best thing to do during this pour is I'll go ahead, I'll probably speed it up a little bit, and I will go ahead and just put some music on for you. So this video was short anyways. It's going to be even shorter now. But yeah, so that's what we'll do.
Hey darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand. Hey darling, I love it when it's me and you, on the road with a couple of tunes in a car for two. Hey darling, you know we're gonna have a really good time, driving in the middle of the night when the stars are bright. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand. Ooh, let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand. Yeah, we only get one life. I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand.
Okay, we are ready to demold. So let's see how this turned out. I love this glitter. So let's get, oh, look at that. Wow, that's pretty. Oh, that is pretty. Okay, so let's get all these you guys, I am not a good puzzle maker, like puzzle putter together person. We're going to attempt, okay? Don't laugh at me, or feel free to laugh at me, actually, because we're going to attempt, but we may have to take this off camera. I don't know. We're going to see. Let's get all our little pieces out. They're all looking so good. We didn't dome, which I heard that's what you should do. I think it was Ben and Nicole from their channel said don't dome it, you know, because it'll fit better that way. But I may have to have my husband put this thing together for us. I don't know. This mold's nice, though. Nice mold. It came out nicely. Okay. Woo, that is a glittery box. What do you think? All right. So I'm pretty sure this goes here. I'm wondering if I'm going to have to sand any of these pieces first. You know? Oh, yeah, because that's, unless there's only one side that it fits on. Oh, my God, we're not off to a good start. That's for darn sure. I'm assuming, okay, there we go. We're getting it. Well, kind of. Oh, my. Oh, yeah, I'm probably going to have to sand it a little bit just to fit better and make it more flush, but that'll go there. This one, I don't know about this one either. Oh, okay. Yeah, this one will go here. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm going to have to sand it just to make it fit properly, you know. Then, how do I know which side? Let's see. There's two. I guess like that'll go there. I'm not going to be able to put them all in yet because I'm going to have to sand them down a little bit, which I should have done anyway. Like I need to do that anyway. But like that will go there. And then this piece, I see. Look, I'm figuring it out. This will go in here and in here. Okay, so that's how it'll go. And then it'll open up like that. But I do need to sand it down, make it nice and smooth anyway, and make sure it fits. But you get the idea, hopefully. So I will go take care of that and, you know, finish up this project. And then, oh, it's so pretty. Then we'll be back for the final reveal. Okay, we are back for the final reveal. So I got the box put together. I had to, you do need to sand all the little notches, you know, for sure. Definitely don't dome this one. I feel like I may want to put a little bit of glue in there too, just to be extra secure, but it is put together. This flower is this peony, silver foil on it, but it's a peony mold. It's good size. And you'll see this flower in a future video. I think a day or two from now. I don't know. Coming up. Anyway, I thought it looked really good. And so you can use it, you know, as like a little handle. You don't need to. You can open it, you know, like from the side like that. But I thought it added, just made it cute, you know. So yeah, what do you think? It's so pretty. Look at that glitter. It's so glittery, very glittery and shimmery. And it's such a nice size box. I mean, it's a good size box. I know it's made for Dominoes, but you know, you can use it as a storage box for anything. So yeah. Yeah, I think I need to put a little bit of glue on some of the intersections, you know. I think that'll just really make it extra secure. But I'm not going to lie, for me personally, it wasn't the easiest to put together. It took a lot of muscle. But again, you know, that may just be me. I'm just letting you know in case you do, you know, get this mold. I will link the mold in the description box in case you are interested. I'll try to remember to link the peony too. I got this off Amazon. I really like this mold. So I'll link both of these, even though I didn't pour this one on this video, but just in case you're curious where, or if you want one of these. yeah, so I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed the project. Yay. Hopefully it gave you some inspiration. Thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate every single one of you very, very, very much. If you don't mind, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you be a part of my YouTube family. And if you are subscribed, thank you so very, very much. All right. I hope everybody has a great day out there, or a great night or morning, or whenever it is you're watching this. And stick around for, I just have a few pictures. But yeah, all right. Have a great day. Bye.